Legal separation and annulment. People bring these up as alternatives about divorce, often when they're not ready to actually commit to getting a divorce. In certain rare circumstances, legal separation is a good idea. Annulment may be a good idea. But a lot of times it's because people just don't want to face, I have to get a divorce. Face it. Legal separation, a lot of times, in fact, the most recent case I had involving legal separation, the people went on and got divorced anyway. So why file legal separation when you're going to wind up having to file the papers to get divorced anyway and pay for 2 sets of filings? Generally, it's not a good idea. In some circumstances, it can be used to extend insurance benefits even further than normal. Now, even after divorce, you can get what are called COBRA benefits for up to 36 months if your employer is big enough. So we don't have that compelling things as much. But legal separation extends a dead or dying marriage. It finds its foundations in situations back, envision Memphis, Irish Catholic Memphis, 1850. The wife has an alcoholic husband, but she, for religious reasons, can't get divorced. She goes and gets a legal separation, and the court goes, well, you're going to get to stay in the house, and he's going to have to pay you some money. And we're going to have a legal separation, but not divorce, though practically it's the same thing. Annulments are an alternative to divorce in that you find that the marriage was void to begin with, or it's voidable. If you marry your sister, it is a void marriage. It doesn't matter how long you stay married to your sister, she's still your sister. It is still prohibited in the state of Tennessee. It is a void marriage. A voidable marriage is one you have to bring to the court's attention to get the court to declare it's void before the time lapse. In other words, if I marry you and you're underage, and we keep living together as husband and wife till you get to the crabby old age of 19 and I want to trade you in for a younger girl, then the court goes, no, if you'd have shown up when she was 14 when you first married her, then we'd have done something about it, but not now 5 years later that y'all have lived together and she's of age. So that's the difference between void and voidable, and you have to have void or voidable to come in to get an annulment. Thank you.